core is what you are. It's pretty simple. Core is what you are. And what are you? You are your innate intelligence, the ability to understand. That is core. Gloss is, what is the first statement that you wrote today? Appearance is a function of intelligence. So gloss is a function of core. If there is gloss, it will show up. But wait, appreciate this. If you are inherently healthy, won't your face radiate that health? The glossiest thing in the universe is the sun. Has it borrowed its radiance from somewhere? It has this helium sitting at its heart and burning, the core, because of which there is this gloss. So where there is core, where there is intelligence, there is also the action of intelligence. That action of intelligence, which is visible to the eyes, is called gloss. There is a third thing called mask. When the core is hidden beneath layers and layers of stupid conditioning, then what do? There is no radiance in life, no joy, no mirth, no vigor, no energy. So you borrow your appearance from outside. You put up a mask. Mask is such a poor substitute for natural.
And taught what hard work is. Then I inherited it in myself. So doesn't that comes into gloss? For me, it's core. Obviously, but
whatever you do not understand and yet take in is always conditioning. It's not yours. Because you have been taught that hard work is the key to success, that's why, you know, that donkey on the road, he works so hard and never gets anywhere. Enjoyment is the key to excellence. Understanding is the key to success. Can you excel in something if you don't enjoy it? Can you excel if you don't enjoy something? But that was never told to you. What was told to you that, you know, you keep going about repeating things, putting in hard work, and that will bring you success. That success is a dead success. Repetition works with materials. Here is this stone. If I work hard on it, that is useful. And you will have to work hard on it because it is a dead material thing. You want to cause a change in it, you want to engrave something on it, you will have to work hard on it. But we are conscious beings. We are not beings of hard work. We are intelligent. And intelligence is understanding. And you cannot understand if you are not joyful, if you are afraid, if you are feeling bored, then there can be no understanding. Hard work, beta, is not done. Hard work happens. Let me give an example. Sitting in the college from morning till evening, how many calories do you spend? How many joules? Say X joules. And you feel so tired and bored and frustrated and you say, you know, the energy has been sapped off me. I am finished by the time it's 5 p.m. And then you go off to play soccer. And how many calories do you burn playing soccer? 10 times the number of calories you have burned throughout the day, am I right? And yet you don't feel tired. When is actual hard work being done? On the playground. But you do not feel tired. Because hard work should not be done, it should happen. And when it just happens in your playfulness, in your immersion in the activity, then it does not tire you, then it is just a sport. So do not do hard work. Enjoy life and then hard work will happen. It will just happen. Without your effort, it will happen. Without a desire, it will happen. Don't aspire to do hard work, please.
Sir, so does all the core was once a gloss? My question is quite different. Sir,
why are you saying that all the gloss was once core? How can
clear.
core be anything else? Core is your ability to understand, ability to understand. It's not given to you by anybody.
Ability to understand what?
Anything. Anything. Intelligence is not information. Intelligence is the ability to understand whatsoever is going on, to watch it, to know it, to observe it. That is intelligence.